Cancer spotting AI? Yes, AI is being used to spot cancer by analyzing medical images like mammograms and MRIs to help detect subtle abnormalities that may be missed by humans. It is also being developed for applications like analyzing blood tests for biomarkers and predicting future cancer risk from images. While promising for faster, more accurate detection and aiding radiologists, current AI cancer detection tools are designed to work alongside, not replace, human medical experts. Image analysis. AI algorithms are trained on thousands of medical images to identify patterns associated with cancer, which can help radiologists by flagging suspicious areas for further review. Improving accuracy. Some AI systems have shown accuracy comparable to or even exceeding that of human radiologists and have been shown to detect cancers that were missed in retrospective reviews of mammograms. Early detection. AI can identify early signs of cancer from imaging, potentially leading to earlier diagnosis and more effective treatment. Blood tests. AI is being used to analyze biological signals in blood samples, which could lead to new, more accessible blood tests for early cancer detection. Predicting risk. AI can analyze mammograms to help predict long-term risk of developing breast cancer, allowing for more personalized screening. Human-AI collaboration. The goal of most current AI cancer spotting tools is to support, not replace, human experts, combining the strengths of both AI and human judgment. Potential for over-reliance. Some studies have raised concerns that over-reliance on AI could lead to de-skilling of clinicians, making them less effective when AI assistance is unavailable. Need for validation. More prospective studies are needed to validate AI models in real-world clinical settings and to gain regulatory approval before they can be widely adopted.